At Automation Direct, we don't want to just sell you a product. We want our products to help you succeed in your automation venture. One way we do that is to make sure you know how to get the most out of your purchase. When it comes to high-tech PLCs, sometimes a little assistance is beneficial for getting up to speed. That's why we offer 100% free PLC training, not just for our customers, but for anyone looking to learn more about PLC control. Automation Direct's free PLC training portal has hundreds of videos covering PLC fundamentals as well as brand-specific PLC training. Videos range from how a PLC operates and how PLCs communicate to how they are programmed with basic examples using ladder logic with click, bricks, or productivity PLCs. For our LS Electric PLC users, there are even sections on structured text, sequential function charts, and more. If that's not enough, there's also a section on HMI programming and configuration. After all, where there's a PLC, there's almost always an HMI. All of this training is available 24/7, 365 through our online training portal located on our website. You can also find the link in the description below. And don't forget, our PLC software is available for free for those who want to jump right in and start programming. If you want to learn more about PLC control, or you need a little help learning how to use one of our PLC brands, head on over to our free training portal. You'll be glad you did.